Hey, it's time once again for EZ Cantonese, and 聖誕節 is coming up, and that means it's Christmas. So I thought it'd be a good time to go over a few Cantonese words that involves gifts and presents, and who doesn't like that, right? So let's check it out. Alright, let's start off with the word gifts or presents. The Cantonese word for gifts is lai mat. Lai mat. And the two most common types of gifts are birthday and Christmas gifts. So Christmas gift is 聖誕禮物. 聖誕禮物. Birthday presents are 生日禮物. 生日禮物. How about buying presents? Well, if you're going to the mall, make sure you're social distancing or wearing masks, unlike these guys here in the video. But buying presents in Cantonese is 買禮物. 買禮物. After you buy that gift for that special someone, you gotta wrap it, right? Wrapping presents in Cantonese, oh, look at the frustration on my face. Wrapping presents is 包禮物. 包禮物. Well, it's finally time to give that special someone your present that you really worked hard wrapping on. Well, not this guy didn't. And giving presents is 送禮物. And which girl does not like Jordans, right? Look at the excitement on her face. 送禮物. And then opening presents is 開禮物. 開禮物. Look how happy she is, huh? Who needs LV or Prada? Size 12 Jordans for this lady. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hey, buddy. 聖誕快樂. There it is, buddy. 聖誕快樂. You want to grab it? It's right there. Oh yeah, he looks happy, eh? Yummy, yummy. 聖誕快樂, everyone. Merry Christmas.